is a sweet little story called The Cabin. So let's start. The school was out, and the Johnson family was getting ready to take their annual summer trip to Lake Horizon. Betsy and her brother Bruce were excited, but not Mom and Dad. "I wonder why Mom and Dad are not excited about going to the lake?" Betsy asked Bruce. "I heard Mom and Dad talking last night, and they were saying how much repair the summer cabin needs because it is getting old. They are thinking about selling it." "But it needs a lot of work," said Bruce. "Selling it?" exclaimed Betsy. "That would be horrible." The next day, Bruce had an idea. "What if we help Mom and Dad paint, pull the weeds, and scrub the deck?" asked Bruce. "Then the cabin wouldn't look so bad, and we could probably keep it." Betsy thought it was a great idea. They decided to tell Mom and Dad their plan. "That sounds like it would work," said Dad. "With some nice fresh paint, the cabin would really look nice. We could plant a few new shrubs and flowers out front too." Sad Mom. That night, they went to the local hardware store and bought the supplies they would need to start working on the cabin. They left early the next morning and were at the cabin before lunch. They started painting the small kitchen first, then the bedrooms, and finally the family room. "Wow," I said, "Mom, this looks like a brand new cabin." After a day of painting, the following day was spent cleaning the deck by Mom and Dad. The kids worked on the pulling of weeds and planted some new flowers of red and white around the maple tree. After 2 days of hard work, Mom and Dad agreed that the cabin was now looking so much better. Dad told Mom a new refrigerator would do the trick in the kitchen. "With few more minor changes, this cabin will really look great," said Dad. "Does that mean you won't sell?" asked Betsy. "That's right," said Dad. "Thanks to your great idea, we can keep our summer cabin, and tomorrow's day we are saving for swimming in the lake, so tomorrow we will have all fun and no work," said Mom. The kids cheered, and everyone was now happy to be at Lake Horizon. Thanks for listening to this story. If you liked it, do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.